It's Jessie, baby.
I'm gonna get you right. Tell me what you like. Jessie Simmons. I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna take my time. It's Jessie, baby.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jessie Simmons, back with another video. This week we're doing something different. I was asked to do some reaction videos to Haitian music. Why not? We love music. So Kai dropped a new video called Koupab featuring the amazing BEDJINE. I heard the song this morning. I'm loving it. The video literally just dropped like 10 minutes ago. I'm about to watch it. I'm excited. Ooh. Oh my god, BEDJINE is so beautiful. Bisha always has swag. Shout out to his stylist. Oh, she's so beautiful. I like their harmony together. It's really nice. Oh, I love the yellow shoes. I love that outfit. Yeah, it's really nice what she's wearing. Ooh. Wow, he is trifling. She left for 2 seconds. Wow, men are trash. All her outfits are on point. I love BEDJINE. I wonder where this is filmed. It's really nice. Nice. I really liked it. Okay, 6 people disliked it. Are you dumb? Okay, so that was Koupab Kai featuring BEDJINE. I personally love this song. I think it's a beautiful music video. This is a hit. It was directed by Trillion Production. I always see Trillion Production or like Dominique Telemac as the directors, and I feel like it's always a beautiful music video. I have yet to see a music video that was not good. I think the song is good. The harmonization between them was great. The outfits were on point. BEDJINE is such a beautiful woman, and she is honestly one of the top singers in the HMI right now. So I'm really excited to see what's in store for her because she can sing, she can blow. I think the song's really good. I'm excited to see what Kai has in store because last week they dropped like a video teaser. It had 5 songs and 5 music videos at the same time. So I'm excited. Kai, the minute that they started, they've been only dropping bangers. I'm definitely excited to see what's in store for them, what they have in store for us. Each song that they dropped in the teaser was a banger. I think it's great that they dropped Koupab first. BEDJINE is doing her thing right now. I really hope that people don't try to compare this song with Cavé, the song that they have with Shell. I think it's 2 different songs completely. Both singers have amazing vocal range. Both have their unique style as well. Therefore, I don't think we can compare both of these songs. But overall, Koupab is a hit. The video is beautiful. I don't know if Kai is dropping an album, but they've like literally teased us with 5 upcoming songs, so we'll see. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Jessie Simmons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And again, I just want to thank you for the continuous support. You guys have been amazing, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what I have been working on. Until next time.
It's Jessie, baby.